Are you ready? Number 7. Dinosaur goo. Imagine cracking open a 68-million-year-old T-Rex bone, and instead of dry fossil, you find something soft. That's exactly what paleontologist Mary Schweitzer discovered. When she treated the bone with acid, what appeared wasn't dust, but stretchy tissue. Blood vessels that bent like rubber bands, and even shapes that looked like red blood cells. Textbooks said soft tissue should vanish long ago, but the iron in dinosaur blood acted like a natural preservative, almost like formaldehyde, letting the T-Rex mummify itself from the inside out. At first, many scientists refused to believe it, but the evidence was right there. Dinosaur goo, still around after millions of years. So next time you see a T-Rex skeleton in a museum, just remember, those bones might be hiding a little prehistoric jelly inside. Number 6. The 95%. We can't see everything you see in the universe. Stars, planets, galaxies makes up only about 5%. The other 95% is invisible. Scientists call it dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter acts like cosmic glue, keeping galaxies from flying apart. Without it, gravity from the stars wouldn't be enough, and galaxies would tear themselves apart like a blender with no lid. Dark energy is even stranger. It's 68% of the universe, pushing everything farther apart and making expansion speed up. Picture a balloon covered with galaxy stickers. As you blow, the stickers move away. Only here, nobody's blowing, it just happens, and we have no idea why. This discovery left scientists stunned because it means everything we know is just the tip of the iceberg. 95% of the universe is still a mystery. Number 5. The planet that wasn't there. It was like playing hide-and-seek for decades, only to realize no one was hiding in the first place. That's the story of Vulcan, the ghost planet scientists once believed orbited between Mercury and the Sun. In the 1800s, Mercury's orbit didn't match Newton's laws. Instead of questioning gravity, astronomers decided another planet must be tugging on it. They even gave it a name, Vulcan. Some swore they saw it. A French astronomer claimed he watched Vulcan cross the sun and even won a national medal for the discovery. In truth, it was probably just a sunspot. For 50 years, scientists kept searching, reporting sightings, and debating. Then Einstein showed up. His theory of relativity explained Mercury's orbit perfectly. Space itself was warped around the sun. Vulcan never existed. Decades of work had been wasted chasing a mistake from the very beginning. Number 4. The end of order. For centuries, scientists thought the universe ran like a perfect machine. Two planets orbiting each other could be described with neat equations, moving in harmony like a cosmic dance. The illusion ended the moment someone asked, "What happens if we add just one more planet?" Suddenly, everything turned chaotic. 3 celestial bodies pull on each other with gravity, and their orbits become unpredictable. This is the three-body problem. Even today's supercomputers can't calculate their motion far into the future. The discovery shattered the dream of a perfectly predictable universe. From the weather to the stock market, even to tangled headphones in your pocket, chaos is everywhere. The universe isn't a precise clock. It's more like a mosh pit, where order can collapse the moment a new player steps in. Number 3. The universe's worst prediction. Imagine setting a timer for 3 minutes to cook noodles, but it tells you 300 billion years. That's how wrong scientists were when they tried to calculate the energy of empty space. The error became known as the vacuum catastrophe. Quantum mechanics says a vacuum isn't empty. Tiny particles constantly appear and vanish, like a never-ending microscopic rave. General relativity says that energy should bend space itself. Put the two theories together, and the numbers go off the charts. Wrong by 120 decimal places. To put it simply, it's like predicting someone weighs as much as millions of Earths, when in reality they weigh as much as a hamster. If that math were right, the universe would have exploded the moment it began. Instead, here we are, watching galaxies drift slowly apart. The vacuum catastrophe is still the biggest reminder that even perfect theories can completely clash. Number 2. The Pluto problem. For decades, kids in school memorized 9 planets, and at the end of the list was Pluto, the little guy of the solar system. But in 2005, things got messy. Astronomers discovered Eris, a giant ice ball even bigger than Pluto. If Eris counted as a planet, there could be hundreds more out there. So, the rules had to change. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union set 3 conditions. A planet must be round, must orbit the sun, and must clear its orbit of other objects. Pluto passed the first 2, but failed the third. It wasn't strong enough to clean up its neighborhood. Just like that, Pluto was demoted to dwarf planet. Teachers had to erase it from posters, and millions of people felt their childhood betrayed. Pluto didn't care. It kept orbiting like always. But for us, it was the most dramatic breakup in astronomy. Number 1. The leaky black hole. Black holes used to be the ultimate prison. Nothing escapes, not even light. But then Stephen Hawking dropped a bombshell. Black holes leak. At the edge, pairs of particles constantly pop into existence. One falls in, the other escapes. The escapees create Hawking radiation. Over time, the black hole loses mass and eventually evaporates, like a cosmic candle burning out. The real headache is information. Physics says information can't disappear. But if black holes vanish, what happens to everything they swallowed? If it's gone forever, then either gravity is wrong or quantum mechanics is wrong, or both. This discovery turned black holes from unbeatable monsters into paradox machines. Even the universe's strongest vault has holes in it. That's it. Thanks for watching. And remember, even science has bad days.